How to fix Xbox Insider Hub not working on Windows. 1. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 2. Sync your computer time and date. 3. Update Windows. 4. Clear the Microsoft Store cache via wsreset.exe. Command. 5. Disable any third-party antivirus programs. Plan B, whitelist Xbox Insider Hub in the Windows Defender firewall. Like this. And take ownership the Xbox Insider Hub application at c:\program files \windows apps \microsoft.xbox insider _1.2206.27001.0 x64 8 week 3d 8 bbwi. 6. Connection. 7. Reset the Xbox Insider Hub. 8. Reset the Microsoft Store app. 9. Disable Windows Defender. Antivirus for Windows security. 10. Install Xbox Identity Provider via Microsoft Store. 11. Run 2 commands as admin. GitOps package Microsoft.gaming services removes package alucer start ms Windows Store //pdp / producted equals 9 mwpm2 cqnlhn.